How to check your Facebook page password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to check your Facebook page password, then it is important to know that your Facebook page is connected to your Facebook profile. So if you have saved your Facebook profile password somewhere, then you can easily access it later and check your Facebook page password that way too. I have saved my password in the password application on my iPhone. So go ahead and open the passwords application on your iPhone and you will be required to unlock the app by entering your Face ID or password. So once you have unlocked the app, tap on the search bar at the bottom and you will see the option for passwords. Simply go ahead and search for Facebook and you will be able to view all the passwords related to Facebook. So tap on the password that you want to check. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see your username, your password, your website. So simply tap on the password option you see there and you will be able to view your password. You can also copy your password and paste it elsewhere. So this was about how you can check Facebook page password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.